Using a high-pass filter allows for a little bit more contrast and a little bit more sharpening. So the first step that you need to do is, if you look down in your layers panel, you need to copy that layer. So you have two kind of copies of the exact same thing. So the shortcut for that is Control-J. You're going to see that pop up right away. We're going to be dealing with the active layer 1. The first thing that we need to do is we're going to go up to Filter at the top menu. And we're going to go all the way down to Other. This one's a little bit hard to find. And you're going to click on High Pass. Don't be alarmed when your image turns all gray. That's kind of the first step. With this slider, make sure Preview is on. And then what we're doing is we're looking for kind of those edges. What happens is it grabs onto those edges. So if we go here, it's just way too far. This is image dependent, so don't read my numbers. Look at how it reacts with your image. And then you're going to click OK. And then we don't want to leave it like that. We want to start to get into some of those blend modes that we talked about earlier. So if you click on Normal and you go up to Overlay, you're going to kind of see that difference. I'm going to turn it off and on. The differences are subtle, and it's really dependent on the number that you choose. I'm going to go ahead and click on this and name it so that I remember, and I want to say I was like a 7.7, so I remember my number, because sometimes I'll go back and change it to a different number. That's using a high pass.